Samsung Gear VR with controller. Okay, this isn't the newest one. This is, but you know, you picked it up quite cheap on an online sale thing. You got the box, and you get this contents here. There's the headset, and the inside, and the headrest set. And that's how you take this off there with the clip there, and that's how you put your phone into that cavity there, which I'll be using this to look at my drone videos. In there you have the controller. This is motion. In here you've got the batteries, simple AAA batteries, clip back together. And you've got your user manual, various languages. Yeah, no, it's all a lot of stuff in there. It's all in English. It's got a lot of contents by the look of it, and that should be in there. And then we've got USB power, USB to help you get your phone connected if you need an adapter. So there's your list of all the device layout. Focus adjustment wheel. That's how you take the front cover off, as I showed. Volume key, touchpad, home key, back key. Around the edge, but you've got these sensors here that will help it work. And then the straps, little multi-purpose jack, USB Type C there, and that's where you connect your phone. That's USB 3, and that's why there's a spare one of those in the box. So the first time you plug the phone into the VR, it then says, do you want to download this software? So you go, yeah, next, whatever, and this is all the software that it wants to download. 100, couple of hundred, 300, 400 megabytes there, Oculus bits and pieces.